The new Just Plug sound system from Woodland Scenics launches this autumn, providing a simple and efficient way of adding sound to your layout. From bird songs to depot atmosphere, traffic noise or church bells, this system does it all. Why not begin with the Just Plug sound system starter kit, which comes with everything you need to get started straight out of the box. The heart of the system is the sound hub, and this serves as a main controller. Into this goes the 4 pre-recorded sound cards provided, which slide into the 4 channels on the hub. Power is provided by a main supply, while speakers are also included that can be positioned where you want them on the layout. To play the sounds, simply press the relevant button and adjust the volume to your preference. For extra versatility, various sound triggers can be purchased separately. These include magnet or motion activation, track triggers, remote control, push button or even timer. The great thing about this system is that you can also use your own sounds, which can be downloaded onto a sound card from your phone or computer using the card reader included and the Just Plug Sound Studio online app. From there you can load anything you've recorded or downloaded, even audio from your favourite video clips. The Just Plug Sound System Starter Kit can be ordered from Bachmann retailers now, together with all you need to expand your setup later on.